In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the syntax highlighter code in WordPress. Whether you're a seasoned WordPress user or just starting out, adding this feature can greatly enhance the presentation of your code snippets on your site. Let's dive in and see how we can do this in just a few steps. First, we begin by navigating to wordpress.com. This is where the magic happens, and the first step is to get logged into your account. On the homepage, you'll want to locate the login button, which will allow you to access your dashboard. Once you click on login, you should see an option to continue with Google. This feature makes it super convenient, especially if you're like me and prefer to keep most of your digital activity under one umbrella. Simply click on it and then choose the Google account associated with your WordPress site. It's as seamless as that, and in no time you'll find yourself inside the friendly confines of your WordPress dashboard. Once you're in, focus your attention on the right panel where you'll see quick links. Here, look for and click on Edit Site. This will take you directly into the site editor where you can make changes to your content and layout. With the site editor open, look towards the top left of your screen. Here you'll see an Add button. This is your gateway to adding new blocks and features to your pages. Click on that Add button, and within the search or input area, simply start typing syntax highlighter code. As you begin typing, you should see it appear as an option. This element is specifically designed to make your code snippets not only more readable, but also visually engaging. When it pops up, go ahead and click on it. By doing this, you're inserting a syntax highlighter block into your page or post. This tool will properly format and highlight different sections of your code according to the language specifications. That's all there is to it. You're now equipped to make your code snippets stand out with proper syntax highlighting. Not only does this enhance readability, but it also enhances understanding for anyone interacting with your site. Remember, this kind of enhancement is great for sharing knowledge openly, especially if your audience includes developers or tech enthusiasts who appreciate clean and well-presented code. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps take your WordPress site to the next level with minimal effort. Happy coding and enjoy your newly enhanced WordPress page.